Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script. Three keys to success: read, read, read. We are lucky to have teachers, parents who encourage us to read. And it's true that reading gives us the power that nothing else in this world ever can. And the knowledge we gain from reading is the only thing that nobody can snatch from us. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Minakshi, student of class 8, presenting today's morning assembly on the theme Power of Reading. Dedicating time to reading each day can open our mind to the wisdom of the greatest leaders, entrepreneurs, and thinkers of all time. We thank you, God, for the opportunity to learn new skills and stretch our understanding. And with this, we start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. So, everybody, join your hands, close your eyes, start prayer. And after prayer, dear friends, we have some duties and responsibilities towards country we live in. Pledge instills sense of patriotism and national unity, and it's time to take an oath that we'll fulfill our duties and responsibilities. And I would like to invite on stage Ridhima for pledge. And after pledge, thank you very much, Ridhima. Dear friends, reading is a basic tool in the living of a good life. When we read a lot, we undoubtedly learn a lot. True, that if we can read, then we can learn anything about everything and everything about anything. With this, let us move to the next, and that is thought of the day. And for this, I would like to invite on stage Arif from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arif. Thought of the day is: to remain valuable in our economy, you must master the art of quickly learning complicated things. This task requires deep work. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Arif. News is one of the greatest way to gain knowledge between people and the world. In addition, they are also a great medium of knowledge. And let us pay the slightest attention to the world around us through today's news headlines. To share today's news headlines with us, I would like to invite on stage Neeti from class 8. Thank you very much, Neeti. The power of reading is equivalent to gaining power of knowledge. When we read, we acquire knowledge of something new. May it be a new viewpoint, a new approach, a new solution. It can make us a scholar, linguist, intellectual, philosopher. To make us assure about this, I would like to invite on stage Pranjal to speak something really amazing on reading. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pranjal from class 8, and I would like to share something about reading. Reading is the most powerful habit. If we continue read, then one day we'll see a huge impact of this in our life. Successful people have one common habit. They read as much as possible because reading makes us think out of the box. Do you know? Do you know that Elon Musk, now the richest man of the world, built an entire space company without having a college degree in aerospace engineering? How he did it? Just by reading. In an interview, he said he used to read a lot when he was a kid, and he still read a lot of books. Bill Gates, he was the richest man in the world, and he also read a book a week and 50 books a year. Warren Buffett, he invests in stock market, and he is among the top 10 richest people in the world. He reads 500 pages a day. And let us take some motivation from such people and try to understand the power of reading. Here I end. Thank you. Thank you very much, Pranjal, for sharing this with us. Reading helps us become a well-informed, rounded person. It doesn't only empowers us with knowledge and good grasping power, but there are many benefits of reading. Next, I would like to invite on stage Tapas to share with us benefits of reading. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tapas from class 8, and I would like to share benefits of reading with you. Reading stimulates imagination, intelligence, character, abilities, and skills. Reading shows us values, places, people, culture, art, and life in every way. Reading gives us information in every subject to help us from going wrong, or making mistakes. Reading makes our mind broader, world-wise, and empathetic. Reading makes us rich in imagination, thoughts, emotions, and life. Reading stimulates imagination, intelligence, character, abilities, and skills. Thank you. Thank you very much. What is power of reading? Let us try understand this, and I would like to invite on stage Ravish Chauhan from class 8th. Thank you very much, Ravish. You know, the person who develop a rich vocabulary tend to be deeper thinker, express themselves better, and can read more. Improving vocabulary skills improve our understanding of novels, stories in textbooks. Now the time is to add a new word in our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite on stage Nancy from class 8th. Good morning everyone. My name is Nancy from class 8th. Word of the day is peruse, which means to read or examine something carefully. Synonyms of peruse are read, review. Antonyms are neglect and overlook. I'm using this in a sentence. He opened a newspaper and began to peruse the jobs ads. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. Now, I would like to call our respected principal sir to come on the stage to say few words. And thank you very much, sir. Now we are at the end of today's morning assembly, and now everybody get ready for national anthem.